Magnetic lashes have surged in popularity as a glue-free alternative for quick, reusable eye enhancement. They promise effortless application, secure all-day wear, and a lightweight, natural look, which appeals to busy professionals, festival goers, and beauty enthusiasts seeking time savings without compromising comfort. Product number 1. Lash View Upgrade Magnetic Eyelashes with Applicator. Reusable, soft magnetic eyelashes. Natural look, no glue needed. Lashes kit. Easy to wear. This premium option from Lash View emphasizes fast, latch-like application and all-day secure hold. Marketed as Aurora Magnetic Eyelashes, the kit claims 3-second application and 1-second removal, with soft magnets designed to contour to the eyelid for comfortable wear. The kit includes an applicator and multiple lash styles described as natural and vibrant, along with a sustainability angle and accessible customer support. In practical terms, the strong magnets contributed to a confident fit during wind, brief perspiration, and regular blinking. The soft magnet design appears to reduce pinching or pressure at the lash line, addressing a common discomfort point with magnetic lashes. Product number 2. Higou Magnetic Eyelashes with Applicator. Soft magnetic lashes, natural look, wispy magnet lashes, easy to wear. Higou positions itself as an accessible kit with a full magnetic set, 1 pair lashes, an applicator, a compact magnetic box with mirror, and an instruction sheet. It emphasizes a glue-free experience with a focus on comfort, lightweight design, and easy 3-second application with 1-second removal. The kit is designed to be beginner-friendly and travel-ready, appealing to users who want a complete on-the-go solution. Performance-wise, the lightweight magnets and soft material aim to minimize pressure along the lash line while delivering a stable hold for all-day wear. Product number 3. Magnetic Eyelashes Natural Look. Reusable false eyelashes with magnetic liner. Generic offers a magnetic lash system that includes a magnetic liner in addition to the lash set, aiming to simplify alignment with a glue-free approach. The emphasis is on a natural look, quick application, and reusability, with waterproof performance for all-day wear. The product positioning suggests versatility across daily and event wear. In real-world use, the magnetic liner pairs with the lashes to create a secure hold that resists water and sweat. The design supports multiple styles, enabling a range of looks from everyday to more dramatic. A potential caveat is the liner's long-term maintenance. Some users report varying removal ease, and ensuring the liner fully dries before application is essential to prevent smudging. Product number 4. Quell Reusable Magnetic Eyelashes. 2-pair magnetic eyelashes with applicator, no glue needed, eyelashes, natural look lash clusters kit. Easy to wear. Quell's 2-care kit combines 2 lash sets with an applicator, a mirror compact, and instructions. The kit emphasizes natural, wispy lashes, weightless wear, and environmental sustainability through reusability. It positions itself as beginner-friendly with a straightforward 5-minute application timeframe, likely appealing to users who want more options without spending on multiple separate pairs. On performance, the dual-pair configuration provides flexibility for styling, 1 pair for casual days and another for events, without repurchasing. Product number 5. Quell Magnetic Eyelashes. 1 pair reusable magnetic eyelashes with applicator. No glue needed. Eyelashes, cat eye, natural look, lash clusters kit. Easy to wear. Quell's single-pair kit is positioned as an affordable, compact option with the same glue-free magnetic mechanism and an included applicator. It emphasizes a cat eye natural look with a compact, travel-friendly design. The price point at $7.19 makes it the budget option in this lineup, while still delivering the essential magnetic lash experience with a mirror box and an instruction sheet. Performance-wise, the single-pair design is ideal for first-time users who want to try magnetic lashes without a large upfront investment. The kit's lightweight fibers and the integrated applicator help simplify the first-time wearing process.